GMB and that day waba abonten abereati to a year or Chiami Kofi then somebody betu ejana say vow say obe expose a year one dinti a man na wari egu ye na ebiemu ntu o kacha ye Ghana for say yen friend a year the second Kennedy because or so many information de efa eye ekwa GMB ehune na day there ekwa GMB say they were break Ghana form wa bre wo bibia say na some da pass obi asori an wo twe eye ebie eti say ene day so on this case ya mati na nya ayem ena nsem no abobaba na say ni kuna baba je ntokwa na fa ai bema waba ababa beje eman tokwa ade abore ne ho se wono wo bekun wono obabesia beko eye gates mu de ene no so aye ready ede ama wono Chiami Kofi say de owo bia no wonfa embra ememetu eye abonte na wo react to eye ensem na ne chese odi ne mfonyin ekoto ne IG page ene abusiafo ne wo tro ye ensem de wa tro ne ten na mama me kwan so na making kind emfa emma eye mo say I am patiently waiting for their expose. I will face you squarely. I am ready for all of you, so bring it on. Adenya, I'm laughing like a killer. Bring it on, all of you. Nobody should come to my page and tell me to ignore them. It is about time I face all of these people. The lies, the disgrace, the shame is getting too much. I have case. I have to fight them for the sake of my case. I won't have anyone lie against me anymore. I beg all of you to bring whatever evidence you have about me out. Now I was here for GMB. Now someone what they about abonting no as to say Chiami Kofi, the husband of Stacy Amartin, Ebeje one Stacy Tokwa Ekon ya odini abobe broom as they say they see friend Kennedy no say they were bre o aden wono kwa nipa ba ku we sori ase enam ne maninti ne mana wone wo nti na wo say they ntokwa no won ko na wonti mi protect eye ne man because they say the eye ayeden afno eye no na ensem we ebusuafo na edi so oba bonten ede na no di same say ebebetu eye edwa anase ehu enya ensem no enti no say the mamuni no ti kro hoi enko eye ejina eno ti menu aba eye ekua broni papa bi wa wo broni wo set so da o hanom mene no ebehwetwe eye enko na nti ehia so dia ene ye de broye ho saa na na ne de nsem no esinti kan wen ni mbundra ensem no emu obekua we dey name me ai mo papa
Mejo so you training the old boy.
We have a quality
Uncle Pando.
Get the crystal say. Say and talk aso. Social media so say this beef no dey a social media na yakun no ne wo be audio wo be recording video so ne wo so do be tro mo prof kan to hu ni say wo say yan fa yan sound tro so no and almost about until my baba at one two you be our park and kind of be and send the far who will be up. No one says, I will put the picture so now I can't send one here.
I don't think too much.
I am a baking kind.
Just I don't bring information.
Say a year appear. Or no response to a year or Chiami Kofi. Say no whom is he ever.
I said that Matthew Mary. Make sure ya phone now. Okay, one. They just say you no credit. Omo no go eduma. Na eba ekia ehon media. Me na ka me nya anka ho. Ekia anko nya ba me so kra with the information eba no na ya semo. But me want to say I say the other party say na we can so be expose. Me want to say Kofi wo expose bia fa ekia ho sa.
Okay.
Yeah, me who because who follow Kofi updates now from the information but what to say like he doesn't have any ample proof to tell the world say indeed he has anything related to the breakup of Ekia and Nikunu or and to me who say like It's minyanka Epia should be much more matured now on jazz, but share the way Epia to put in the information across say she's doing this for the children also him. Who they say about why in a way say why. I want to make them say as some never who share the other negative aspects, so share on one share the positive aspect of it too. Now maybe who they say I want to say she's not just fighting for her children, but she's also fighting for her name. And if the reputation is dented upon her, it affects it in Kolano also. And I want to say Kolano they are not growing up, so they get to grow up in a big society where they meet different kinds of people. And in Kola, emotions normally what they are not that strong. I want to share now those people or mere bullies in school, no matter how also public figure them. And after suit moves at the beer and Kolana yes, and Nkofuna Kolana who Pimbe and intelligent people. Yes, I was a white public figure, and your purpose of the call Nkofuma, they are open minded, and Nkofuma open minded. Things like this, no, they don't, it doesn't escape them. They are always aware of the things that are going on, yes, including kids of today. And then Kolana, or your public figures say, no, Sakodi and then Makra 2 years, no, I taught iPhone. Was a Kolana Sani, iPhone, they are kind of aware of the things that is going on. If a child like that has an information about someone's mother, or she had day in day out, and no the way or Becca, and I call her, if you know it's me and stand that kind of abuse needs wasn't affecting and this way, affecting the relationship with the friends around, affecting the attention in class and all of this. They want to say about out now. Or making sure say these people that are denting on her reputation come out to prove say not about also didn't prove about say indeed what they are saying is wrong and no way. I think say it is going to help not just her reputation but also the money account. To me, what they say either ways even though in some aspects no it's better so show maturity now or let it go. But if she's doing it for the children, so I always say like reason you
okay. Now I said then I walk as a reputation. Say you have a name that you want to cover and as a maintainer. And I didn't and some no elbow band won't come on end to. Now I pay would post the picture no I throw shots was here now or so and I'm saying you see I put any new and if I was so on one I wouldn't no also posting a picture no so throw shots. It's wouldn't say anything I done now so dear. The moment I will go on will follow one will do a cheap war baby be over can where they are baba as when they are blogging. It's William Sana once one person within best then why must you also take that step?
Mommy, all share information now. Every educer for a lady, no. All share information now. What most are some a PA check. But if you have a shouldn't say, no, like, one should out and the car in your mabia. Into what share from the time, Safwa lady, no, elbow through or no shots, the expose, then the more castle, and honey way in what's it in a penny to cross stone, not a piano on Casampa on react here, but still crumple or where she stays in a happy birthday anyway. What's the relationship still master or no side no maintain. They should tell us there or you'll be and compensate or can't assemble assembly numbers or my assembly here. But I said people are trying to dent on her name. People are trying to step on her reputation and disgrace her. And see, if she doesn't come out, I think why so she feels that this is the time as society about no defending herself. So when she the reputation will come crashing down or tumbling down, which will end up affecting in Kolana or Castle or this to prove her children. So I think she's been quiet for a while and she knows it. And even people that follow her came to even say it, even on her comments say she's been quiet for a while. So this is the time for her to talk for herself. And see, you can say people are supporting her action. Yes. See, what most of why didn't actually know
now Obia or Baba saying I say nipa de wo ka asem a ye mpanyefo na betu fo ye den a ye mami ana se ye nua pe wa nyini na so nyini dum pepe so bia ye den a wo mpanyefo bi wo no na wo posi na wo ka se ane wo mpese wo bia ebeba eye wo page so aba be ka cha wo se ignore them no Does it mean so on pay a year a photo and I said then? Because say who him say a year then uncle for Baba Beka to see trust because Nipa our friend is our godmother pen. Nipa like you who say one no in a trampoline like oyo bia who seeking advice and I say o takwa ne chene no kwatwetwe a year enkom. Na say bibi aba a year then ya who him say penifo bi beba eba beka say oh ebia epia be twa so ebetimi di say ebedu edo how e be pray normal be pray ebeba enti twa so na wo ba bontin aba beka say when obi ampa wo page does it mean say no patch say enukwa so obi anka na asem bi ma na say bibi touch ma wona afa enukwa so obi ebebeka kire no say ya na say ya na
me nye sure say no o mean the sa aspect me say ya obi mema obi ebeka na asem say but one say ni o person o trend say o say akweso obi ahye wobufu na nipa ni gu wani ma say no obi ebeka cho say ignore no one him say dey ekoi like a better show image. We are talking about someone that can be a possible ambassador to another company.
Sure.
Yes, someone who has a very high reputation. Someone who wants to protect this particular reputation. Affect him because they say reputation in her aspect of life. No, reputation is something that will be bringing her money. So what I say, it is a me na say amount for a boom fees na. Na kese say silence means consent no ana meboa na say oh ya ka say asem na akofo ka no no kware nti na woni hwe e ka fa asem no nti mo say obi bibisa aba na say won ka won hwe a say na companies bi bo be oh ene say ge we kwa egu no film ma won ti me yen na say asem na ba ya no kware ene etimi e fa no ye we so what say
but dey an say ye papa ya ono so su ni din bata ewu ye Dr. Kokoten one also so mama me kasa ewo does it mean so no so koma wa ye ne che say no kra na so no answer o kasa like we koma obi be kasa e bia na say no kra ye kan ye puto kasa say silence means consent nti no e betimi na hwere no maybe does it mean say your papa no so de kafa no no kra nti no so ntimi ma bonte
the man say o say as no bia the way or handle
me issues.
Yes. Some people, and I mean, the way people define maturity, I think, as long as only definition for maturity, and if you're only there, or feel say keeping quiet on the matter, and no, what's that? Some people conclude say, or more training this kind of issue, they are people that don't really have a life, but or no say, or no, he has his own company. If I'm talking in defense of APR, then I would say, or no, Mr. Oten, he has his own company. He's making his own dope money, so he doesn't really need any more trend, or he doesn't really need to come out to be as a but Osha Ekia aside now, Ekia is a brand, I know about out. So I say, so she will be needing that reputation. So I say, and he although link with companies should be important to her.
Okay.
Where companies will come in and make deals with her.
Okay, Oba the comedy no ACA NSI. A photo ben and the Bema a year and Mebunu, FA issues surrounding them or more. I don't family woman, I think it was so they say and being said and simple about how should they react to a year or more issues.
And the man kind of say, I send me back there for one. Yeah, sometimes the way you respond to it, especially when you just a bit critical yourself, you don't give so much attention to it. So we responded to it, and I amount for that opportunity to come out and say any kind of nonsense they have about you. And Timeka says, I send people who now so this particular issue, they don't perhaps have any ample information about it. You just let it go. So I say you don't come and comment about it. And I make I say no whose opinion always matters to you. And you will be like now over na ask them affect so you be can find one that affect you baby. And I feel so mental so the best so say know the kind of friends you have and know the people to trust. You don't just go about telling people everything about you, sir. I just say these are things that people already know, but I said any day, people always they do one after there. These are the things that we tell people. And only something we have to be cautious about.
Okay, oba ye beda wase ebebe. Na abusuafo aha na ye de enkomotwetwe no esi atwabroni wakasa bebre pa ewo ensem gidi se wonso wafa afutu de de afrimu. Subscribe to the channel no se wonye ya like videos no share all the social media platforms so wait me follow ye your IG page and your Twitter page @gh_ Facebook and so to my gh ekes kapa any that's ye besan so edi share makram